Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to renew your Alberta license plate online. First we need to open our web browser and write down here how to renew Alberta license plate. Now we need to click our first link, Government of Alberta. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can directly open through that link. Now scroll down and you can see here start your online registration. Click on that link. Here you can see 1 to 7 items for renew, like renew passenger vehicle registration, renew motorcycle registration, so on. But today we will renew our first renew passenger vehicle registration. Click on that link. And now we need to open our Alberta account. If you have already Alberta account, that's good. Otherwise you can watch my previous video for how to create an Alberta account and click on that link. Now I need to enter my email address and password, and after that sign in. Here you can see the price. All the charges are including in this service. So now we will start our form. Here we need to enter our license plate number. Here we need to enter our registration number. You can check your registration number from your previous booklet. And here we need to enter our license number, motor vehicle information and payment confirmation. Please click on this checkbox. And insurance confirmation, please click on this checkbox. And now we need to enter our register agent, and select a different registry agent. Click on that link and click on continue and name. Here you can add any registry name, like I will write down here Summerside, and you can select and you can see your registry address. If you want, you can save for future and submit. Order detail, success, and here you can see order summary. If you want, you can recheck your license plate number, registration number, renewal terms and registry agent, so on. And now we need to click on secure checkout. Click here. You can see payment method and billing address. You can edit your billing address, card details, enter your credit card details, name on card, credit card number, expiry date and CVC number. And please accept the term and condition to complete your order. Click on this checkbox and place your order. Finally, you are ready to print out your order. If you want to watch more videos related to forms, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.